A single seized bolt can steal hours from your workday. Guardian Copper Anti-Seize stops that frustration before it even starts. Specially formulated for heavy-duty protection, it acts as an advanced anti-seize, a light lubricant, and a reliable thread sealer, all in one. Brush on a thin coat to the threads and under the head. It resists water, heat, and vibration. It fights galling and rust. To demonstrate, we tightened 2 of the same nuts to the same amount of foot-pounds and sprayed Guardian Copper Anti-Seize on one before rusting them using salt water. Not only was there less rust on the nut and bolt with the product, it required less force to loose it. It works from cold starts to high heat service. The payoff shows when parts break loose, clean and fast. Use Guardian Copper Anti-Seize when assembling threaded parts so they come apart later in metalworking, construction, automotive, or agricultural environments. Or check out other solutions in the Guardian line specially formulated for specific problems like Guardian Penetrant, which seeps into hard-to-reach places, or Chaining Cable Lubricant, which feeds moving chains and cables. Guardian Copper Anti-Seize will prevent the seize and keep the job moving. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out Guardian Copper Anti-Seize and more.